Honda discharged the Fit EV here in 2012, however that vehicle wasn't aimed for this world. Presently, the automaker is joining forces with a noteworthy battery producer to build up another electric vehicle in view of the Fit. Honda will work with Contemporary Amperex Technology (CATL) to make batteries and related advancements for the new vehicle, reports Japanese daily paper the Nikkei. By the main portion of 2020, the vehicle will make a big appearance in China and different markets, in spite of the fact that we don't know whether this incorporates the US or then again not. Range should hit 300 kilometers, 186 miles, which as of now puts it behind other electric vehicles including the Chevrolet Bolt. The Fit-based EV will accompany a sticker price of marginally in excess of 2 million yen, or around $18,000. Honda needs to offer in excess of 100,000 duplicates per year, which would make it the organization's best offering electric vehicle. Honda likewise offers the Clarity EV on a constrained scale. Not long ago, Honda saw another large-scale manufacturing EV. The hybrid will be accessible solely in China, and it will land before the finish of the year. China is the world's greatest market for electric vehicles, and it likewise has a fortification on battery innovation. The Chinese government sponsors electric autos with batteries made by nearby producers, giving CATL and Kindred Battery Tech Organization (BYD) preference. Chinese automakers and abroad makers are frequently picking to utilize Chinese batteries rather than rivals from different nations. CATL is relied upon to catch the biggest offer of the worldwide car battery advertised this year by shipments, 19% in front of Panasonic 15.5%. As indicated by information from Techno Systems Research.